guys, welcome back to Side Hustle Keisha. I appreciate you guys coming back. I appreciate you watching the videos. Do me a favor, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't hit the notification, do that as well. So every time I upload a video, you'll be in the know. Like the video if it's good for you. If it isn't, if I did a good job presenting it, please like. It does help YouTube push this video out so other people that are looking for ways to make money can see this, that haven't subscribed to me yet. So I appreciate that. Just to let you guys know quickly, we'll be changing the name of this channel, but I want you to know it's still going to be me. You'll still see my face, so just know we're going to be making changes here. We're going to be giving you everything from side hustle to entrepreneurship, so everything in between. Opportunities to work part-time, full-time from home, opportunities to start your own business, whether it's a multi-level marketing business, or we'll be providing tools to you so that you can start your own business from the comfort of your home. Our goal is to create freedom over here. So the goal is to really give you opportunities where you can spend more time with your family and make more money and spend less time working, right? How can we maximize our time? How can we make that money in our sleep? That's what we'll be talking about over here on this channel. So let me jump into this cool opportunity. If you guys are familiar with Shark Tank, you may have seen this company on Shark Tank, and I want to give it to you because I think it's such a cool opportunity. Okay, so its company is called Babyquip. You earn money by renting and delivering baby gear. Earn extra income. Join our diverse community of quality providers and help traveling families make lasting memories by renting and delivering baby equipment. It's so cool. Let me just jump back one for you guys. Let me just jump back to this because I want you to see that this company has already been on Shark Tank, Today, Business Insider, Kayak, the New York Times, Pop Sugar, Sunset, TC, US Weekly, and the Washington Post, WSJ, and Yahoo Finance. So they have already been covered. So you know it's a legit company. You've probably seen them if you are a big fan of Shark Tank like I am. You've probably seen this before. But listen, they offer service. You can rent baby equipment. How many parents travel and want to travel light, but when they get to the destination, they got stuff that they need? Let's go ahead and join the team. You guys, this link will be below in the description box. But I want to tell you a little bit about the opportunity. They're looking for quality providers, QPs. Okay, these QPs are people who can deliver the equipment to these beautiful families when they come into town visiting their loved ones or here on vacation, and they need their equipment for their baby because that baby's still going to need a crib. That baby's going to need a car seat, a high chair, stuff to play with, and you'll have it, right? And you'll be able to deliver it, and you'll get paid for doing that. So start your new side gig today. Partner with the #1 baby gear rental service in the US and Canada to earn extra income and help traveling families by renting and delivering baby equipment. We have an easy to use platform and a helpful community and supportive leaders to help you build, launch, and grow your own baby gear rental business. So you just enter your information here and take the next steps from there. But listen, apply online, get on board, start delivering gear. Here's the information. That's what you're going to do. Let me just tell you a little bit, paint a little bit better picture of who Babyquip is and how they work, okay?
Hi, I'm Juliana, independent quality provider in Toronto. I joined Babyquip about 2 years ago, and I've been thrilled with the success I've experienced and by all the knowledge and support I've received from the Babyquip community. I love being a Babyquip quality provider because I have the freedom and flexibility to work when I want, while still being a stay-at-home homeschooling mom. And I'm able to contribute financially to my family while helping other families travel with a little less stress. So it's a win-win. But Babyquip is not just for people like me. We have amazing entrepreneurs from all sorts of backgrounds. Babyquip is a platform business, just like Airbnb or Etsy. Babyquip connects traveling families who need babycare with business owners renting out babycare. You can call these business owners quality providers, or QPs for short. But Babyquip does a lot more for QPs than just connect them with customers. Babyquip provides a beautiful, easy-to-use website with tech support and admin portal where you can easily manage your orders and financials and tons of training and mentoring. Babyquip walks you through every step of starting and running your own babycare rental business. The training program covers everything from our safety and lead speakers to delivery, setup, and customer service. sample orders and emails. So when you finish the program, you will be ready to launch, market, and grow your own business. We even have a fun Facebook group called Mastermind. This is where you'll meet with hundreds of other QPs. We ask tons of questions, provide advice, share business ideas, and give lots of encouragement. It's an awesome group full of support. Babyquip also has a full-time team of employees who are working hard to make sure that everyone is successful, and we are. We have the happiest customers who give us fantastic reviews. They call us vacation lifesavers and show us so much appreciation for our service, which makes our jobs that much more enjoyable. But even if you don't live in a top tourist destination, there's still a market for a new baby gift. When I used to live in a small suburb that was not a vacation spot at all, I almost didn't give Babyquip a chance. When the opportunity sounded so great, I signed up anyway. And I got my first order, my first month on the platform, to a family that was visiting their grandma. Because grandparents live everywhere, Babyquip is relevant everywhere, and serves hundreds of cities worldwide, adding new destinations each week. Since Babyquip is not a franchise, you can expect to have multiple QPs in each city. Here in Tahoe, Kimberly and I work together all the time to better serve our customers. Just this last month, she actually delivered one of my orders for me while I was out of town with my family, and I was so happy to have her help when I needed it. Now, just click below and schedule your information session. It's just a 15-minute phone chat, so we can hear a little bit about you and give you the opportunity to ask us more questions. I know you're going to love these QPs too. Thanks for watching.
Okay, so that was just a little video to tell you a little bit more about Babyquip and how they work. Here you can get to some more information, earn extra money. Babyquip is one of the highest paying side gig income opportunities, second only to Airbnb host. On average, our quality providers are earning over $600 a month. Some quality providers are making $5,000 or more a month. Okay, so down here are some reviews of some of the quality providers, and they give you their review and their take on the company and their experience thus far. Do you need baby gear? It would be great. Yes. You don't need it right away. We can get you set up on Babyquip platform and open for business before you buy any gear. However, if you already have baby gear that's clean and safe, then you can start with that. We do highly recommend, but don't require that you purchase one item, and that's a full-size portable wooden cribs. Cribs are the most requested item and could easily be included in your first order. If it fits in many cars and vans, SUVs. We'll tell you how to order a crib later if you don't have one. So come here and read the frequently asked questions. Let me tell you the other thing that I did notice, there is a fee. Yes, there is a fee. It's $200 fee to start. This fee covers administrative expenses to get you set up on the platform, your website, and email and training materials. So listen, this I think is perfect match if it's a mom that has young children who has all this stuff already. That's a super perfect match, right? And you wouldn't have to buy anything. But if this sounds like an opportunity for someone who's interested in, it likes to deliver items, think this would be right down their alley, and it's a small investment, and then take a look at Babyquip. I hope that this video finds its way to the perfect person. I just thought it was a cool, cute opportunity. I know so many parents that have a lot of this equipment, they end up giving it away to the Goodwill, throwing it away, but you can put this equipment to use. So just a smart opportunity for the perfect situation, or if you want to do it and invest a little money. I think it's a cool opportunity, especially with a lot of people using these Airbnbs. They don't want to drag all this stuff with them, or if they're visiting family members. A lot of family members don't have these things if they don't have small children around, so it's a much needed item. So I hope this has been helpful. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you try it out and you do it. Let us know how it worked out for you. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Tell a friend, share it on your platform. I greatly appreciate it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hey guys, make sure you guys drop below in the description box of each video. You'll always be able to find the direct link to the opportunity that I discussed, and I also will tell you about my #1 side hustle. Make sure you watch this video if you're interested, and the free work from home business that you can do. Also, free training to help you get more leads and recruits for your business. You just click on this link. I also have a free report for 5 amazing benefits and uses of CBD oil, and definitely want you guys to stay connected, so you can click on my link tree right here and follow me on all social media platforms. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.